Hey mom, so I received my Hello Baby box from Babylist, and I paid $6.60 for the shipping fee for this. So you get a Shutterstock thingy. Not sure if I'm gonna use that. And I got Phillips bottle. Pacifier. Some cream samples. More samples. Okay. And a diaper sample. Another pacifier. Baby wipes sample. What's this? I don't know. What's this one? So yeah, diaper. And formula. So I also got newborn shirt. Another pacifier. Just nothing. Coupons from Shutterfly. Some discount, but I'm not gonna use that. And I also got, what is this? It's heavy, but there's nothing in here. So it just tells you how much the baby needs to eat. Some more coupons. Samples. And travel size lotion. This is cute. So yeah, that's all I've got for the free Babylist box. So since somebody got us presents for my baby shower via Babylist, and then we qualified to get this baby box for free, and we just have to pay for the shipping, which was $6.60 something. I guess it's okay, because I probably will use this, though we already have some balls. And this one, additional to his wardrobe. Yeah, for me it's okay. It's like a lottery. I mean, you don't know what will you get, but it's only $6, right?